Hello, in front of me I've got Mazda CX-30. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car via cable because this car does not support wireless screencast. Now, to enter Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, from main menu, select Communication and push the knob right. To exit Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, go to Menu and select Mazda. Now, via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you can use Google Maps and apps installed on your smartphone. You can also go to Settings and use Voice Assistant. For Apple CarPlay, it's Siri. For Google Assistant, it's Google Assistant. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.